Today we'll talk about how can you delete your account on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on manage here my account. You just click on it. When you just click here on manage my account, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on delete my account. When you just click here on delete my account here, then you just click here on OK, then it's going to delete with you here automatically on your Decathlon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.